This is my brake cue, carbon fiber brake cue. This now completes my set. I have a carbon fiber plate cue, jump cue, and now unboxing the carbon fiber brake cue, baby. I got this package. Well, I got a product from eBay. It's a J.FLOWERS. I think it's a BK1. So you can see it's in this little triangular shaped box. But yeah, I'm about to unbox it and yeah, chop you off a little bit, man. You feel me? So you can see here. Like I said in my previous videos, man, always reinvest in your craft, and that's what I'm doing. You know, especially if your parents can't do that for you, make sure you can do it for yourself. You know what I mean? Okay, it actually comes in a bag, so that's cool. I paid like $357 total with tax. Obviously, a carbon fiber shaft. I forgot what the diameter is. I'll probably let y'all know in the link. I think this tip is phenolic though. Yeah, gotta be. And it's just like, let me see. It looks like it's just all in one. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, obviously carbon fiber. Got the J.FLOWERS. Get out of there, face. But I got a J.FLOWERS logo there. And it comes with this, I forgot what these are called. Yeah, man, it has A0818R written down here. But yeah, that's the shaft. I think this is like 13. It's very, very big. Ooh. Here's the one-piece butt. You know, since I already had the jump cue. I actually like their bumper right here too. I saw it. They had a jump cue as well, but I was like, I'm not loyal to one brand, so you know, unless I get sponsored or something in the near future, I'm gonna stick to one brand. But I already had a back cue, jump cue, obviously, and this one, the J.FLOWERS looks exactly the same, the jump cue, and it's just cut out. I mean, yeah, jump cue just cut out 2 pieces, obviously. But yeah, the brake cue just 1 piece. Still got the thing right here, cap, whatever it's called, I forgot. And then yeah, the J.FLOWERS logo. You know, simple all black, like what I desired. And I was able to finally pull the trigger on these. Why is it so tight? I don't even think it's the right. I don't want to shred this mug. It didn't seem right. It seemed very tight. No, this is awkward. The pin might not be right on this. Let me see. Oh, it is super tight, but it seems kind of, this is probably 19 ounce. That was kind of weird, y'all. But let me see if it's shredded and seem like it. Wait, this thing got something written down on it. J.FLOWERS A0818R. A0818R. Seems like it's right. It's just kind of, it's very tight. You know what I'm saying? See, I had a terrible experience with like threads. So, funny story. Unrelated to pool, but well, I guess related to threads. So, before in my previous relationship, I was changing like the tires pretty much of the cars. And I was changing the bolts. Because my ex had some bolts and she needed some new bolts in the tires. And you know, I was like, oh yeah, I can do it. My dumb ass shredded the whole damn car. So yeah, her dad ended up paying like 400, 500 bucks for it. And yeah, this is very weird. It's very, I mean, it's tight, it goes in. But yeah, just a little, I'm not comfortable because, I mean, it's probably just, I'm for sure gonna message the seller on eBay, see if it's the right one or not. But it's very hard to put on, you know what I mean? Usually it just slows. Usually that's what happens when you have the wrong thread, obviously. Man, whatever craft, like I said, man, every time I do these unboxings, invest in your craft. If you have no money, I understand it's tough. Bro, find a way to do it, man, you know what I'm saying? Now, I'm just blessed, even though I wasn't aware of this before. The fact that I just didn't want to be a bum. I didn't want to work in a fast food restaurant, you know, really helped me now, especially since, you know, I finally found pool again, you know what I'm saying? And now that I have the tools and resources to pursue my passion, I'm doing that now, and I'm not going to stop. And you know, I feel like, you know, if you're in that path now where it seems like you know you want to do something but the funds are not there, you know, suck it up and get like a regular job and, you know, work towards it. It's all worth it, man. It's true. Whatever they say, dude, it's like once you really find what you want to do, it's, you know, it's so easy to say, oh, you gotta love what you do, but it's really, you can't just love what you do. You have to find a reason why you love it. You know what I'm saying? It just has to come naturally. I feel like, you know, truly deep down what you want to do. And if you don't, look back in your past, you know what I'm saying, when you were a kid, what were you interested in, and kind of relate what that is. Like, you wanted to be a fireman, but if you don't want to be a fireman, what about a fireman that makes you want to be a fireman? Does that make sense? So, you know, is it about like taking that risk and like saving people type shit, you know what I'm saying? So kind of relate that energy towards that. But I know what I want to do is I just want to play pool and, you know, utilize pool to get to where, you know what I'm saying, my financial goals. And I understand that, you know, a lot of pool players don't make good money. Even, I mean, the best player only made like, what, 100K, over 200K last year. And, you know, you look at other sports and people are making bank. And, you know, to me, this is just what I love to do, man, making extra bucks off like local tournaments. It makes me feel good. Like, it's very satisfying. You know, my hard work's paying off. And, you know, I just got to take it to the next level. I just got to keep working on my craft and, you know, became a master of what I want to do. And I'm on that path, and, you know, I'm gonna see where it takes me. Shoot, might be the most paid pool guy, you know what I mean? I don't necessarily have to be a pro player to do that, you know what I'm saying? I can just motivate, you know what I'm saying, be myself, pursue my path, and, you know, inspire people along the way. And you never know, you know what I'm saying? So who knows, man? I might inspire somebody who becomes like who creates the next biggest company or something, you know what I'm saying? He's just like, you know what, man, you know what I'm saying, you are motivated, man. I might get $1 billion, you know what I'm saying, from him. So that still makes me, you know what I'm saying, like, makes me feel good, man, inspiring people. Just really being me, and along the way inspire others. It really feels great. So, you know, that's a bunch of rambling right there. But yeah, here's the unboxing. Here's the final product, obviously. I think this is like 57 inches, I think. But yeah, I'll leave some details in the description below. And yeah, the J.FLOWERS Q, baby. Like, share, and subscribe, man, and you know, pursue your dreams, do your thing. If you're already on it, stay on that grind, and never stop. Peace.
Produce, mix, master, engineer, written by me.